Okay, people, so it's time to buy seat covers for your Land Rover Discovery. But the darn seat is way too big because regular seat covers only come up that far, and that's all. But lo and behold, how did I find this? Everyone asks me that. I say, hey, where'd you get that? Well, got them on sale at O'Reilly's a good while back. Genuine simulated leather. So I'll give you the UPC right here. You scan that in, and you find you a set of racing seat covers. I think it adds like 50 horsepower and cuts 10 seconds off your time, 0 to 60. Of course, 0 to 60 in this truck's like measured in minutes, but cuts 10 seconds off. And they're nice too. They're nice and cushy, and they go all the way down in the back. Look at that. They're just pretty sweet. Pretty comfortable. So, again, here's the UPC symbol. Scan that. And genuine imitation leather. Nice seat cover. And it's a racing seat cover. Woohoo! Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.